Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the cherries. What's the current price of the cherries, what's the price since occur in the cherries, and what is the next move of the cherries, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold cherries. And especially in this video I'm talking about the cherries holders a big mistake. Now at this time the cherries holder doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Anyways friends, if we look the current price of the cherries friends, as you can see here, 0.479029 USD dollar is the current price of the cherries. Absolutely, the price is going upward, friends. For more details, before the seeing the more details, please, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button now and subscribe, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you. Thank you so much. I know you all of my viewers subscribe ABS Tech channel. That is why I'm telling you that. Thank you so much, friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends. If you look the price changes occurred, so as you can see here, negative positive 3.57%. Absolutely, the last one day and the last 1 week 1 day price change is going positive, and only the last 1 week price change is negative friends. But that's a good news for us that the Chiliz start jumping from the previous last 1 day friends. Let's see the price chart for better understanding. Wow, absolutely. That's a really good news for all Chiliz holder. But unfortunately, a lot of holders doing a very big mistake. As you can see here, now there is the biggest pump in. I hope that this jump of the Chiliz are continue throughout this whole week. And I hope that they will cross 0.01 USD dollar friends. That's my prediction target for Chiliz token. Anyways, a lot of holders already do a big mistake on this time friends, as you can see here on this time. In now maybe a lot of people also do this mistake in the future friends. So friends, the mistake is that when a lot of holders see the small falls occur in the Chalice, so they start selling Chalice token friends, Chalice coin friends. Don't do this mistake. Don't sell Chalice token friends. If you want to make a high amount of profit with the Chalice, so you have to hold Chalice for a long term friends. Remember that any cryptocurrencies, any coin you hold, you have to hold for a long term if you want to make a good amount of profit in the future friends. You have to hold friends. Same like that procedure occur in the Chalice. Don't sell it, hold and hold friends. When they reach to $1, I think it's the best time to sell Chiliz token friends. Now it's not best time to sell Chiliz token friends. Anyways friends, my personal advice for all of you is to hold Chiliz token friends. I'm not a financial advisor if you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own, but that is my personal advice for all of you that hold it. Anyways, if you look the last 1 week price change occur in the Chiliz, negative 6.55% changes occur in the Chiliz, and the highest price is 0.517509 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chiliz friends. Absolutely. Now the last 1 hour price change, the last 1 day price change is going upward. So I hope that the future of the Chiliz is bright and they make you millionaire. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, friends. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.